Welcome to Exploration Unknown.
It's Memorial Day weekend. It's Sunday, and me and Gene decided we're going to go down to Weston Pass, and we're going to see if we can make it over to Leadville. We're not sure if it's going to be snowed up or not. It could possibly have snow on it, so we're going to go check it out. If it has snow, we'll have to probably stop and turn back around, but hopefully it don't have no snow and we'll make it all the way to Leadville. Right now we're in Jefferson, and Gene just went in to go pee and buy some fudge at the Jefferson store. The fudge there is really good. So when we get to the pass, I'll take some more video and show you guys what's going on. Jean's back from the Jefferson store and she's got fudge. Check it out. Fudge.
We got
Yum.
We got 2 peanut butter. This is Snickers, 2 cinnamon crumb cakes, and a turtle.
Tasty fudge. This is the Weston Pass campground, a national forest campground. You can see that they got some pretty cool spots. We already drove through and you were able to see most of them, but very cool campground. Alright, we didn't quite make it to the pass. As you can see, it's pretty snowed up, so we're not getting through there. But a pretty fantastic view just in this area right here. It's pretty cool.